Hello, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of social science for grade 4 from our book Looking Around. Chapter 6, Omana's Journey. Let's start the chapter with the mind mapping. Whenever we hear the word journey, what comes into our mind? That we are going to travel by train, airplane, or a car. We are going for the journey with our family. We are going on vacation. We are going to enjoy a lot. We are also going to our relatives' house. We may be going to visit new places. Aims and objectives of studying this chapter. By studying this chapter, we will come to know about Omana's journey. We will know more about railway station and the helpers there to know how to write a diary. Let's start our chapter with Omana's diary. Omana was going to her Amuma's place by a train with her family. Amuma means grandmother in Malayalam. She started her journey from Gandhidham, which is in Gujarat. As you can see in the map, Gujarat is in the west of India. She started her journey from Gandhidham in Gujarat. Her friend Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg, so she was unable to go with her. They went to railway station. It was so crowded at the door of the coach because everybody wanted to go out and board early. For the journey, Amma packed some of the eatables like dhokla with chutney, lemon rice, and some mithai. They reached their coach and settled down there. Amma and Appa got lower berth in the coach. Unni and Omana got middle berths, and two college students got the upper berth. On the other berth, there was a family with two children. Their names were Sunil and Anne. They made friends with each other and they were also going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. They were traveling from Gandhidham in Gujarat to Kozhikode in Kerala, as you can see in the map also. Omana and Sunil became friends. Sunil gave some storybooks to Omana. And then came the ticket checker. He came and checked the tickets and matched with the passenger's name. And we can recognize ticket checker by his uniform and cap. After the ticket checker had checked all the tickets from the list, the train started moving. The train was running at a very high speed. Valsad was the station where train stopped for 2 minutes. When the train is running at a very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction. Omana saw many fields and small villages from the window and enjoyed the beauty. Omana observed the following things that were sold at railway station. She saw fruit vendors selling fresh fruits, tea vendors selling chai garam chai, juices, cold drinks, packets of chips, and there were bottles of water also available. Bookstall was also there where there were different types of magazines, storybooks, and newspapers. Omana also saw some of the helpers at railway station, like sweeper who cleans the railway platform and the rail tracks, ticket seller who sells tickets to different destinations, guard who has the duty to overlook that train starts on time without any problem. Coolie, also called porter, helps to carry luggage of the people. Railway police is also seen at railway stations so that law and order is maintained properly. Let's learn more about this chapter with the help of web charts. Different cities in Gujarat: Ahmedabad, Valsad, Gandhidham. Different counters at railway station. Reservation counter where we can go and reserve our tickets. Enquiry counter where we can inquire about the timings of the train. Lost and found counter where we can go and search for our lost things. Children, now it's time to learn some new terms that are introduced in the chapter. Journey, the act of traveling from one place to another, is defined as journey, whether we are using any mode of transport, land transport, water transport, or air transport. Luggage, bags, suitcase, etc., used for carrying a person's clothes and things on a journey, is termed as luggage. Breeze, soft, light, cool wind is called breeze. Platform, a long, flat, raised structure at a railway station where people get on and off trains. Reservation, a seat, table, room, etc. that we have booked is defined as reservation. Like we reserve a seat in a restaurant or we reserve a seat in a train. I hope you enjoyed Omana's journey and learned how to write a diary and all the concepts are clear to you. Thank you.